Hi everybody, Alicia here. Today I thought I'd jump in and I'd do a Facebook Live. I would love to be able to share my face, but Facebook doesn't allow me to when I do a live in here. And I thought I would just go through one of the questions that people asked the other day in regards to audience interest targeting. So I put a poll in this group asking you guys what it is you want to know more of, and the question that got the most answers was about audience interest targeting. So today I'm going to do a training. It may go for about 10 minutes. I don't really want it to go longer than that, on audience insights, so that you can go and target more people out there to get your ads in front of, to help you generate more leads and sales ultimately online using Facebook ads. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I am actually going to talk about, because most of the people in this group are either in network marketing or affiliate marketers, and I know that there's a lot of people in this group also who have an interest in like the make money online niche. Okay, so that's where I thought I would actually talk about that particular niche today, instead of going for a generic health and wellness niche that a lot of other people would normally talk about. I thought I'd just get in and cut to the chase and try and give you guys the right answers. Okay, if you do jump on live, please put any comments, or if you've got any questions, put it in the comment section. I will flick back and forth and check it. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to talk about the make money online niche. Hopefully this works. First of all, let me just make sure it's working. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to talk about the make money online niche. Hopefully this works. If I can turn myself off. Okay, alrighty. So one of the best places to actually start researching your ads, well, first of all, not ads, interest. First of all, you need to know who your target market is. Who is your ideal customer? Okay. Now this is an exercise that you can do umpteen amount of times. Okay, it's not a one-off exercise. You're going to do it, and you're going to review it many, many times over throughout your course of your business that you're generating online. Now, you need to know what type of people, who it is that you want to get your ad in front of. And that's really the crunch point. So, for example, you're probably like, well, everybody online, right? It's not necessarily the case, all right? Majority of the time, our target audience or our target market is somebody who's someone like yourself. So if you've been in the Navy or the Air Force and you're looking at getting out, or you're already out, and then that's probably where your ideal market lies, because you can resonate your message in front of those people. Or if you've been in real estate, then you're going to go for other people who are interested in real estate and business minded, because that's what your business minded also about. So some ways that we can look up our target audience is, one, we can use what's called the Audience Insights tool on Facebook. So if you go up to the three little lines up in the top corner of your ads manager, drop it down, and then you'll have a menu item called Audience Insights. Then you'll get this menu, and you click on everyone on Facebook. So if we were to say, just be really generic here, I'm not going to talk about anyone in particular's target audience specifically in regards to like the Navy, the Air Force, or real estate or whatever, like I did, but I'm going to speak very general. So if Audience Insights works best if you target people, or you use this tool to do the USA. Here in Australia, we don't always get the best results from this tool. So over here, just put in something like affiliate marketing, okay, and see what Facebook tells us. So we can change the age if you wish. We'll just go from 30 up. Whoops. Just to 65 plus. Okay. So then we come over to here where it says page likes. So people who are interested in affiliate marketing also like these websites. So we can go see all. They're the Betty Rocker. I heard about her today. I don't know who she is. So we could click on that. Okay. And then come and see who Betty Rocker is. Obviously, she's health and wellness, okay? But a lot of people who like affiliate marketing obviously like her, okay? And you can see here that I've got other friends who also like Betty Rocker. Now, if I was to click on like, Facebook is now going to suggest to me other pages that people who like the Betty Rocker also suggest to me also other names. So we've got Beachbody. So what I like to do is I would keep a spreadsheet and write these down. So write Beachbody down. Write down the Betty Rocker. Okay? And start building up on a spreadsheet the list of these particular interests, because then we need to go over into the ads manager and see if these interests actually exist, okay? And start collecting. So just keep going through these and see, even though you're thinking, well, but it's affiliate marketing. Yes, but Facebook just told us that a lot of people like the Betty Rocker who are interested in affiliate marketing, okay? Go back to your audience insights and see who else is in here. There's usually like books, community, product or service. Well, there's Beachbody again. So Beachbody is quite popular for people who are in Young Living Essential Oils. Now, these are network marketing companies, Beachbody and Young Living Essential Oils. But majority of the time, people who are in network marketing also are aware of affiliate marketing or vice versa. And I was thinking, normally you have books in here, public figures, coach interest, websites. Normally we have some books or authors. So I don't know who this person is, but let's click on it. But this is what Facebook has collected all the data on. Oh, leading women in the adventure of faith. Okay. Again, click on her and see what else is coming up. I know someone who'd be interested in that one. Sadie, if you're watching. Okay, so that's how you could do this. Or the next one you could do is you could put in a author or somebody who's big in your particular niche. Like, for example, who was I going to say? I was going to say Tony Robbins, but he's not necessarily the best fit. We could do... sometimes Make Money Online comes up. No, it doesn't come up. I just had a mental blank. Like, say, Ray Higdon. Lots of people like Ray Higdon who are in Make Money Online and network marketing. And then we can go through again. So education, Elite Marketing Pro, My Lead System Pro, and then write these guys down. Go see. So if we click on here, well, actually, I won't click on Elite Marketing Pro. Direct Selling Success Magazine. Perfect. So again, go through here. You can see that I have a lot of friends who also like Success Magazine. So to me, there's an affiliation there, right? And here it's saying Darren Hardy, Success Partner, Success Podcast. So write all this down. And then we're going to go over to our create an ad. Just pretend to create an ad and see if these guys come up. So if because I already like this page, if I go unlike and then I like it, Facebook should suggest to me, I'll unlike it. And I'll just refresh. And then if I go like, there we go. So now again, it's suggesting to me other pages that people like who are interested in what we are searching for. So Zig Ziglar is a good one. Addicted to Success, Neapolitan Hill. So these are all interests that you can target to get back in front of all these particular people plus more, okay? And that's how we can use audience insights to keep researching our interests, okay? See these guys here are all big public figures. So Vince Reed, we know he would be in interest. Julie Burke, probably not, but you could try. Same as Bob. Caesar, I think he's there, and so is Ray. So keep going through products and services. People who are interested in Ray Higdon are also interested in these. And I would say that if I was to click on, if I put digital marketer in here, digital marketer, nothing, okay. Maybe another good one would be online business. Well, that's education. You just got to keep playing with it, guys. It's research. Oh, that one didn't work either. Okay, anyway, you know what I'm trying to get at. So you just got to keep researching through here and then get a list of interests. And then what we do is we come over and we create an ad. Use the ads manager. And just loading. And we'll just do a new campaign. Actually, I'll get out. Let's go this way. Okay, it doesn't matter what type of ad you're going to create. We really just want to get into our interests tool. Okay, don't worry about giving it a name. Do select the right country. That does help. Just say we are going to the United States. And this is where we want to get to, this detailed targeting section, okay? So I've written down some ones here. So let's go Success Magazine. Okay, that is there. So now what we do is we use this suggestion tool on the right. We click suggestions. Now it's going to give me other magazines or interests or people who like Success Magazine also would possibly fit into the same category. So Entrepreneur Magazine, Fast Company, Fortune, Inc., Forbes, Money. To me, they're all great interests that I would definitely run an ad to. Gary V, look, he could be a bit too broad because people like him for various different things. Tony Robbins, a bit the same. Entrepreneurship, very broad interest. But yeah, online advertising, perfect. Okay. You know, because we're into the make money online space, they would be perfect. Another really good one that you can target in here is actually affiliate marketing. So you can get out there and target anyone who is interested in affiliate marketing. Okay. And then go suggestions, work at home opportunities, passive income, entrepreneurship, online advertising, digital marketing, social media. These are all interests that people who are in the online, make money online space are actually interested in, okay? And people, all right? Affiliate network, affiliates. Perfect, guys. Okay, so that's how we can use audience insights, and then we can bring it back into the ads manager to create an ad. The other way that I wanted to show you was you can go and use Amazon. Okay, so I've got Amazon open. What you can do is you can come up here into the search bar and go make money online and type it in. Okay, what books come up? Who are the authors? And make note of these. And something I'd like to do, but I often forget how to do it, is you can actually search by... I always forget how to do it, but you can actually search, maybe books. Oh, here. Got to go all books. And we want to get the best-selling books. So make money online. Okay, and then we want to refine to best-selling. I always forget how to do this bit. I always have to find it every single time. Oh, here, bestsellers and more. No, that's not it. It was actually a search. My apologies, but you can actually do it. Okay, so, So make money online. Advanced search, that's it. And then what we want to do here is we want to have sort by best selling. Make money online search. Okay, so these are the top selling books, okay, for that keywords, make money online. Dave Ramsey, go write him down. Go see if he's an interest in Facebook. Thomas J. Stanley, maybe the book name might be there, like Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Guy Kowski, you know, same thing. So this is another way that you can get book ideas and authors, okay, by using Amazon. Now, the third way I wanted to show you is by using Google. Again, it's research. So you need to know your target audience. You type in up here in Google, how to make money online, and then go and see what are some authority blog posts. So entrepreneur.com, write them down. Go and see if they're an interest in, which I actually know they are, in your audience, interest in your ad. Forbes.com, I think we just saw it over here before, Forbes.com, okay? What other authority blog posts are coming up? You know, my survey, maybe, they're always around. The other way that we can do it is just see who's running ads. Binary Robot, probably, it is a make money online thing, but probably not the best search. Maybe put in a search term, how to start a business online. Okay, Shopify, BigCommerce. So they're all, again, there's Entrepreneur, and they're all different interests, again, that you can go and target, okay, and get ideas, and also go and read some of the blog posts like this one from Entrepreneur and just get a feel for what they're writing about and some of the keywords that they actually have in here, because it could lead you down another rabbit hole for finding more interest and also increasing your own knowledge around your target market. Okay, so that's it, guys. I hope this was really helpful in regards to how to find interest to get your ads in front of for your Facebook ads, okay? By doing this, it is a lot of homework and research, but sometimes it really pays off. It's going to help you with your ad creation. It's going to help you with your interests, and yeah, just go for it and have some fun with it. And let me know how you go. If you've got any questions underneath this video, please put a couple of comments. I'd be more than happy to answer them. Now, this actually answers our poll creation that I did last week in the group. So hopefully this is gelling with some of you guys. Okay, alrighty, that's it for me, and I will see you again next time. Bye for now.